Hello, Martin Baker here, and every now and then we have one of those projects and clients that take us to the next level, and this complete garden renovation designed and completed by Garden Club London alongside our garden room and services is certainly one of them. There's so much to show you on this project, so I'll do everything I can to include all of the different brands. But yeah, as I've said, designed by Garden Club London. They came on board after we had planning for the building that is tucked away down there, and I'll show you that in a moment. But a really full garden transformation. The before and afters of this will be amazing, including Garden Club London doing the landscape in here. You've got the London stone sawn paving here. I love that finish, it's really nice. You've also got Chelmer Valley with the clay pavers here, along with Athemu Furniture, which is again a company that Garden Club London recommended. That timber just works well, and it's got this real natural feel, and it really works lovely. Those clay pavers draw you into this beautiful archway made of oak, and this will have loads of flowers. I can't wait to show you maybe in 2 years time when we're back here of how this all looks, but just absolutely beautiful. Lovely water feature here in this very quiet area. Magnolia in full flower, isn't that just beautiful? And then we come across, just popped in the bottom of the garden here, a beautiful 7.5 metre by 3.5 metre Iroko building. Now this building was subject to planning. The clients wanted a slightly larger and black building, but the planners didn't like that and agreed to this timber look. And I've got to say, actually in the end, the planning probably were right on that, and it does feel very natural. Now, of course, what's led on from that is the rest of the design. This beautiful Iroko rotund seating that Garden Club London have completed there. That is beautiful. And then a lovely Grillo kitchen, again, black and Iroko, really works well. We do a lot of work with Grillo, so it's great to have them on this project here, and just beautiful design. Now the whole idea was that the clients could sit and enjoy the sports and their friends and their family all out in this lovely area. And I've got to say, beautiful day here in April, 20 odd degrees. It is stunning. Large TV, we've got outside speakers and a full garden entertainment. Now let's take you around the room. There's some really interesting bits there. There's a custom made 2 parts of the kitchen. That's by Timmons Furniture, and that they have done a full aluminium kitchen, you can see there, and then a wine fridge and set up there. We've done a colour match climate control unit that sits up there, which I really like the look of that, so we've completed that. And then this beautiful rear feature wall, that is a split face tile, so it's real stone, and it has this beautiful multicoloured natural look. You can kind of see from there, the little angles, how stunning that is. The furniture is even custom made by this client. The detail that they've gone to is amazing. Now also, if you look up, you'll notice there we've got 2 huge white sail EM-Glaze roof lights. That has the light flooding into the building, and with the extra height that planning agreed, this is a beautiful room. Bifolding doors in aluminium, got integrated blinds, and also you've got that aluminium window either side, integrated blinds into each one of those doors. You've seen that before, so I won't show you now. And then how about this for an impressive little toilet? To make this self-contained, we're a long way away from the property. We've done this toilet. Now this is an image that has a lot of meaning for the client, so we actually got that printed by our good friends at Southern Counties Glass onto a piece of glass, templated all the way around the toilet to make that work well. Absolutely beautiful. That's a real beautiful statement piece with the mirror, custom made mirror fitted in the side there. That's the other side there, and then down to the basin. So yeah, what a lovely room. So everything completed ahead of Garden Club London coming here. We've done the electrics, the internet, worked with the IT company to make sure that all worked and integrated with the house. The plumbing was done. Tom Manville from TJM come in and helped us with some landscaping at the last minute and some trench work. And then after we've got the building in position, Garden Club London took over. Lovely detail. I mean, look at this down here. This is the slot gap. Instead of a big ACO drain, you've just got this lovely little small drain there, giving the barrier between the building and the rest of the paving, so the water doesn't damage it. And I've just got to say, it's just absolutely stunning here. So property goes there. It's a 3-storey, technically a flat, which is why it needed planning, but just absolutely beautiful. So if I come back here, you can see this lovely project. Say it's now 7.5 metres wide, a really lovely building in the Iroko with the roof lights and that feature wall. it's just stunning and a project we're really proud with. So hopefully all the other brands are proud of it too. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. And if you've got a dream garden room, you're working with a garden designer at the moment, or you're starting off on that journey, then come and talk to us. We've got lots of contacts. We know a lot of garden designers all around London and the South East and the home counties, and it'll be a pleasure to create your dream room and garden. It's really, really exciting. Thank you very much.